Here I have Realme C11 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to set up gesture navigation bar on this device. So firstly, we have to open settings, then go to the accessibility section, then go to the system navigation and select gesture navigation like this. And now you can navigate through your system without these old-fashioned buttons, but with modern gesture navigation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.